Good morning, everybody. I was thinking about how beautiful all of the Rudbeckia was looking today after it rained. Everything kind of seems to perk up and thrive after a rain. So even some of the plants that I have for sale were looking really droopy, even though I was watering them. The probably all that ions, nitrogen, whatever that happens in rain really makes a difference for the nutrition for the soil. So my husband cleared my path. I was so excited when I saw this yesterday. So he weed whacked, and I was telling you about how I'm using my chop and drop method of killing weeds and making black soil. But I wanted to show you that I have parts of the tree that fell sitting here. This is going to be like a bench, and over here we have more pieces saved. Look at the chipmunk likes it. And what I'd like to do with these is to make some stump stools, and also to make slices of it and do some wood burning artwork designs on those slices, and maybe even use them for tabletops or something. I was thinking, like, why waste that wood? So it could be a fun project. So we'll see if my husband's able to do that in the near future. But as I said, I'm excited to see that things got watered, because my hostas, as huge as they are burning up in some places. So this is really cool. Surviving the full sun since the tree fell. Not too bad. And I think I'm going to be moving some more Rudbeckia in the front because they're just so pretty. And then coneflowers. So the latest research I've been listening to again is you should spend 10 minutes full face in the sun every morning. It not only helps you reset your circadian clocks or whatever, it gives you some vitamin D, it sets your mood for the day, like your outlook. So not looking at your phone or drama or whatever, but to start your day with something beautiful. So even if you don't enjoy gardening yourself, find a way to stand in the sun, soak up the sun a little bit, maybe listen to the song, and have a great day.